Let's begin by defining a project so that we can see how project management differs from management in general. A project has the following characteristics. It has a purpose. It is an instrument for change. It has a beginning and an end. It results in the delivery of something. It is unique. It has one person or body in charge. It involves cost, time and resources. It uses a wide variety of resources and skills. The media industry in particular is centered around project work, and understanding the fundamentals of how to run and manage a project is essential, not only for the success of the project itself, but the longevity of the business in general. A project has several phases, and for the purpose of this unit, we'll apply the principles to a model project, the production of a promotional video for a local politician hoping for re-election. The project begins with the politician deciding she needs a video, and your company wins the contract for the work. The politician's team will tell you what they want. You will tell them what can be done for the budget, and at some point you will agree on a specification. In this case, the completion of a punchy 1 to 2 minute promotional film. Design in this case involves a storyboard and shooting schedule as detailed in other units. The build of the project in this case means filming the politician at home, work, on the street, and then editing the film with all the necessary graphics and music. Installation means the use of a focus group to assess the impact of the film. Operation and review of the film means re-editing it and then sending copies out on DVD to constituents. Because a project requires diverse skills, it must always have a project manager. The project manager must plan the various elements required, organize the personnel and resources, coordinate the personnel and resources, control the project, bringing it back on track when it deviates, lead the team effectively. Clearly, without a project manager, no one is ultimately responsible, and a project is unlikely to reach completion. The project manager needs to have a systematic approach and will ensure A. that the product is clearly defined and understood. In our example of the promotional film, everyone working on the project must know what the final product is going to be. B. They will ensure that the objectives are clearly defined and understood. Where, when, and what will be filmed, for example. C. They will allow responsibilities to be allocated: the camera operator, lighting, editing, and so on. D. They will encourage logical planning and accurate estimating, the order of filming, the time needed for editing, and so on. E. They will allow consistent monitoring, regular reports on progress from each person involved. F. Finally, they will reassure the funders. They will report back regularly to the politician and her team. Project management is very involved and important work. A manager must know how to motivate, delegate, communicate, and lead.